Hello guys, it's the Amazing Spectrum here, and I'm going to record a video on how to make these assets. Yay. So, if you want to make your own object show on PowerPoint, this is how to break it down. The first things to know that there are three things to a body: shape, shine, and shadow. I've got the shadow here, and the shine here. You can break. First, you need to start with the shape, because obviously you cannot do the shadow without knowing what shape it has to be. Now, if you want to go in the wrong direction and use the shadow first, it's not my problem. You're the one that didn't want to learn properly. I mean, this is if you want to do. Now look, I'm just going to do the color right now. I'm going to actually do a soft yellow because I really don't want to waste time. You see that I've duplicated it? That's because I'm going to use this part as a shadow. There's no shine to a really what I'm going to do, because I'm doing a little cake soap, which is like usually this rounded. I'm just stereotyping soap now. Is that legal? Yeah, it's legal. It's an inanimate object. I can do whatever I want with it. Well, unless there's something called soap police. Well, enough jokes. There. When you want to stick it all together when you're creating your object show and animating, copy. Use this paste button. This paste button. This paste button. I'm warning you. You're just, when you have this faded effect animation, then you're doing it wrong. This paste button, people. If you don't, that's your fault. If you want to make it a different color, just do this. Wrong saturation, no problem. When you go to color, just click on the saturation you want. I'm going to go for a really bright blue. So yes, that's the body done in 3 minutes. Woo! Now, next thing I want to do is, oh wait, if you're wondering what this is, it's a spinner, a top. Those basic tops that don't have that little thing that you can, that little mechanism where you pull the little thingy, the pull tab, I think, and then it starts spinning round on the floor. It's a plastic one, that's why I added the shine. Unless it's sanded, wood is probably not gonna have a shine. I'm going to do the eyebrows first, so you get the kind of idea of what this character's expression is. It's gonna be probably confident or angry. Can you guess what expression I'm doing? If I start with the mouth, sure, you can probably guess it. But also, I might get the proportions wrong if I start with the mouth. I'm going for a specific measurement and placement. Like this. Let's not make the mouth too big. Oh, wait. If you wanna... Yeah, you probably know that. I'm not gonna say it. If you know what I was going to say, then the button. If the freeform doesn't work when you're doing an arm like this, and then you color it, then dude, Find another way. Make some basic shapes. Like this. Looks a bit like a stick arm, but I'm going to add the hand in a few secs. Just gonna not waste my time and do this. I'm not gonna get the proportions wrong, so I'm going to make the arm a little bit shorter for this one, so it doesn't look like it's got arms bigger than its feet. Yeah. If you want to add legs like I am going to do right now, then 2 sticks, then you can find this little shoe looking thing there with the pie chart. If you want an introduction to PowerPoint shapes, I'm going to be releasing a video on that soon, so you know all the basic shapes not basic shapes and other stuff that I'm going to reveal in the next video. Now, when you're doing this, remember, if you're not going to animate it like freely, I'm learning to animate with flowing animation right now. So the next video is going to be fully, unless it's Excellent Eggs, it's going to be fully animated with flowing movements. I'm going to release an animation test very soon, so you can have an idea what my animation looks like, because I have made an animation test for you to see. I'm going to be releasing that soon, so yes. Oh my goodness, I'm running out of time. Next thing, if you want to, ta-da, when you're starting the slide, you can make some stick arms like BFB, or well, it used to be BFB, with those stringy eyes, mouth, and limbs. Now, I'm going to do something else with Spinner. I'm going to animate him saying something. I'm not going to do a limp sync right now because I am running out of time. I do not have an unlimited amount of time on the software I'm using. If you want me to find a new software, comment down below if you do want me to find a new software that to do unlimited time without paying, because right now I do not want to pay for anything. I really don't. Like, I just can't. Really? Okay, I think I've exercised my point now. Emphasized. And I don't care about my grammar right now. There. Now, the next thing you want to do is... Oh, 6 minutes. Okay. Next thing you want to do is go to callouts. Go over here. If you have a multicolored character that has some colors of another person, what you need to do is get to gradient and then color some new things. If you want to be lazy and find the exact middle point, do this. I'm going to do the colors of Spinner right here, and make it like this. Perfect! Now I'm going to, all you have to do is write something in there like exclamation mark. If you want to change the color of the font, make it bigger, and done. If you want me to do more content like this, subscribe and hit the notification bell and stuff like that. I don't really care if you subscribe or not. If you want to, you can. Thanks for watching. I'll be animating some more stuff soon. Bye.